I am sure by now you have heard all sorts of things about castor oil and the castor oil packs. So we're going to talk about that today. I have this pack that you can put here on your thyroid, or you can place it anywhere if you would like to target those areas. So this one is nice and cotton material. This is where you place the castor oil, let it sink into the pack, and then you can put it on your body part. It also comes with this large one, and this would be a good one to go onto your liver area, your stomach, your large intestines, wherever. And you would do the same thing, put the castor oil on this section here and then let it sink in. Takes probably 10 to 15 minutes, and then you would put it onto your body. So this is nice because you can put a little heat pack in here if you would want to, or you can place a heat pack on top if you want, or none at all. So basically you put it on your body, and this is large enough it'll fit any type of person. This part right here is super stretchy. We're going to place this into the buckle here, go that direction with it. So now we've got it in. And then you just pull it as tight as you can. And now you've got a secure castor oil pack on your body. You can place it however you want to, move it all around. This is good for this lower part of your body, and it covers, depending on your size, it will cover a very large area. You can remove that, take it from the buckle, and then if you want to, you can store it in its bag for the next time that you would like to use it. This is what the bag looks like. Front and back, it gives you a little bit of information there. And this castor oil has, let's see, it's cold pressed, it's hexane free, chemical free, it's in an amber glass bottle, and let's see, it's always organic, always packaged in the USA.